Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This was 2013-2014 Panini Dominion Box Break number 108. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is any 206-673-296. That's any 206-673-296. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start with the base card for the Leafs of Nazem Kadri, 252/299. We got a quad jersey, 45/50 of Laura Zeller, Colby Armstrong, Andrei Markov, and PK Subban. Card goes to Montreal. We got a redemption. It's an autograph patches rookie of Vladimir Tarasenko. Nice hit for the Blues. Get a patch out of rookie, 125/299 of Mark Arcabello for the Oilers. Auto rookie, 125/299 for the Hurricanes, Chris Terry. And they finish off the base card for the Leafs of Phil Kessel, 28/299. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.